Hello and welcome to another episode of At the Octet channel. Today, we're going to be discussing a topic that has been on everyone's minds lately: artificial intelligence and the future of jobs. Artificial intelligence has been around for decades, but it's only in recent years that it has become a buzzword. With the rapid advancements in technology, AI has the potential to change the world as we know it. AI has the potential to automate many tasks that were previously performed by humans. This means that many jobs that once required human skills and creativity can now be done by machines. In the manufacturing sector, for example, robots have been replacing human workers for years. With the advent of AI, this trend is only going to continue. Similarly, many office jobs that involve data analysis, record keeping, and even some customer service tasks can now be performed by AI. With the increasing use of AI, many people are worried about the future of jobs. But it's important to remember that AI is not here to take jobs, but to augment them. In the future, AI will play a crucial role in helping humans do their jobs better. For example, in the medical field, AI can help doctors diagnose diseases more accurately and quickly. Similarly, in construction, AI can help in planning, design, and even in construction itself. In education, AI can be used to personalize learning and help students learn better. So, while AI may replace some jobs, it will also create new ones. As AI becomes more integrated into our lives, the need for AI experts, engineers, and trainers will increase. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, make sure to give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends, and as always, make sure to subscribe to At the Octet channel for more videos like this.